Howdy, howdy, howdy. Okay, here we go. So this is for uh, sub day for 1.7 for regular physics, and what we're doing this day is a very important but not graded. Sounds weird, right? Math test. It's a practice test. It's actually not a practice test. It's a pre-test, and we're doing a bicycle graph worksheet, more graph work, and we're doing an ed puzzle called Birth of the Moon, which is pretty interesting. So here we go. Just look at the warm up. We got this. This is about the bicycle graph worksheet. So, Bro Brothers bike race. Alan and Bob want to race. What happens in the race? Who do you think is the older brother? Answer the questions. Okay. The questions actually refer to the worksheet here. And the worksheet, you're going to have a paper worksheet of this in class. And just follow the instructions and see what you can do. You're getting pretty good at graphs now, right? So let's see how you can do on this worksheet. And I'll answer questions for you when we get back to class. Email me if you have any questions. Maybe I can catch you before class even starts. So anyways, just to see how well you have a command of those graphs. Okay, it's called the bicycle graph worksheet. And it has to do with Alan and Bob. And which one's the big brother? And I don't know, maybe you can think of that as a bike race and what you might do if you knew you were faster than your little brother. How would you approach that? Okay. The math pretest. You're going to see that in class. It's 2 pages long. Actually, one is double-sided, so it's kind of 3 pages long. You really don't want to stress about this test. You want to do the best that you can. And some people are going to do really, really well on it, and some people aren't going to do as well on it. It's okay. I want to know where you're at so I can help you. If you were to use AI or get help from somebody or study really hard on this test, it wouldn't tell me what you really know. And I need to know what you really know. So don't practice for the test. Just take it. It'll take you, if you're doing your best, it will take you around 30 minutes. And then you turn it in, and it's not for a grade. I'm going to look at it, and I'm going to see how I can help you. So it's a really good tool for me to help you. It's not something you should stress about. Hopefully you got the idea there. Okay? Maybe about 30 minutes, and then you have the bicycle graph worksheet, and then you have an ed puzzle. So this is a pretty easy day. You got an ed puzzle called Birth of the Moon. If you look for that, it'll be on your assignments in Schoology. And so Birth of the Moon is right here. And yeah, it's a video about how the moon was formed. So go ahead and watch that video and answer the questions on that. If you haven't finished any of the questions from the previous day, right, maybe you didn't finish the book work. That's a good time to finish it. Maybe you didn't finish the Sparky quiz. It's a good time to finish it. That, you know, So just that's what we got for the 2 days. So there's not much else to say about this day. There's enough to keep you going and enough to keep you working, but not a lot is needed for me. So right here, there'll be a video link, and it'll be a link to this video. So have a good Labor Day weekend, and I will see you soon. Once again, if you didn't know where I was, I'm driving the van to the for the flag football team to their tournament in Santa Cruz, which probably be pretty fun. So okay, I will see you guys soon.